Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm gonna walk you through the install of your front bumper on your Maverick R. With your new Thumper Fab bumper, it'll also replace the bulkhead, which will have your radiator mount and your plastic mount. For the first step in the install process, you're gonna wanna go ahead and lift the vehicle up, get the weight off the front arms. So we have to remove the front bolts for the lower control arms so we can take the bulkhead off. For the next step, you'll remove your 4 screws that fasten the plastic to the bulkhead. For the next step in the disassembly process, you'll go ahead and unmount your sway bar end link and your sway bar from the bulkhead. Pull the whole assembly out from the bike to give you more access. With your sway bar end links and your sway bar mounts disconnected, you can go ahead and pull it out from the passenger side. For the next step in the removal process, you'll remove your 2 M8 flange bolts from the top of the bulkhead. For the next step in the removal process, you'll remove your 2 remaining bolts. You should be ready to pull the bulkhead off. With your factory bulkhead removed, you're going to want to take the grommets that are on your radiator stud off your OEM bulkhead and slide them over the stud provided on your Thumper Fab bumper. With your radiator grommets installed on your Thumper Fab bumper, you're ready to go ahead and install it on the unit. When you're putting your bumper up to the unit, you're going to want to line it up with the tabs that are on the frame. It'll hang the bumper in the bulkhead so you can get your radiator all lined up. The Maverick R frame has tabs you can rest the bumper on. Get ready to put your hardware in. You can go ahead and take your factory hardware and begin the assembly process in the reverse order of how it's apart. For the last step in your bumper install, we've provided a D-ring on our Thumper Fab bumper similar to the OEM. With your bumper resting firmly on the tabs, you want to make sure that your radiator is correctly positioned on the studs provided on your Thumper Fab bumper. With your radiator securely located, you can go ahead and start reinstalling your OEM bolts that mounted the bulkhead to the chassis. With your OEM bulkhead mounting bolts reinstalled, you can go ahead and reinstall your sway bar. Once you have your sway bar loosely installed, you're going to want to go ahead and loosely fasten your sway bar end links. This will help you make sure it's centered before you tighten down the bushings for the 4 bolts that'll tighten up the sway bar. To remove this shackle, you'll have to drill the rivets to be able to remove the bolt to switch it over to your Thumper Fab bumper. With your bumper tightened up, you can go ahead and tighten up your shackle. Then your Maverick R is ready to hit the trails, look for some booty.